On today's episode, we talk about board games, Facebook ads, and your perfect game night. Hey friends, welcome to another episode of Tip for Tip, your favorite marketing show where you, the business owner, ask us marketing questions in exchange for a tip in your industry. My name's Aaron.
My name is Christian, and today we have Corey Goodwin with Friend and Foe Board Game Cafe.
Hey, my question for Bit Branding is there a better way to use Facebook ads to market my business than just doing giveaways and contests all the time?
Short answer, yes, absolutely. I think there's a huge opportunity on your Facebook page to, I'm talking about ads, but also organically to create more videos, funny videos, maybe talking about certain board games, different things like that. And even you guys do a lot of events. So even doing videos, advertising those events might be good, not just doing giveaways or contests. There's more of a, I guess, awareness campaigns that you could do in order just to spread the word instead of just doing giveaways or contests and things like that.
Yeah, and my answer is just Christian's, but layered with, I guess, a little bit more specific. So yes, you should be creating the videos. Yes, you should be posting and giving offers, but think of it as more of like an entertainment. I mean, you guys are entertainment, so use that to your advantage. Like you could do a weekly show, which, something like this, where you play a board game or teach people how to play a new board game, and just do it under 5 minutes and be like, hey, this is a new board game. If it's you and like 2 other people, this is great for a party of 2, party of 3. Watch us play. We'll teach you how to play, and then you could just have the comments of where like, hey, I got this game, or like, here's the link. Maybe they don't want to go purchase it, but they come in, and those who actually like are interested could come to one of your events. But it basically just gets people interested in the variety of games you have, which I can't remember how many that you have, but I remember it's a lot. So much so that you couldn't do a video every week and cover every board game for the next 5 or 6 years. So that being said, you could teach people how to play like really popular games, like the right way to win at Monopoly, or really weird games that like people never heard of, very popular ones. We played one there, Jack, hopefully this is not counting on you to throw some B-roll of us playing this weird game where we were stacking and like taking over something in Greek mythology, but it was like he taught us how to play it, and then like 5 minutes later we knew how to play, and it was like really fun. Like I wanted to play another game, and it's just like really entertaining. So I think you should use those to entertain people, and then people who watch that video or who engage with you, follow your page, then you could do offers like what Christian said, like, hey, come to one of our events, come to one of our parties.
All right, hopefully that was good for you. Let's hear your tip for us.
Cool. So my tip for the audience is how to have a good board game night, and it's all dependent on structure. Structure comes in 3 ways. The first one is good communication about the night and the details of the night, including time, place, how many games might be played, and if there's a cap on how many people that can show up. Just make sure that's all communicated. Second one is pre-selected games based on the interest of the group. So you may want to do a poll or ask around, but have a good selection of like maybe 3 to 5 games picked out that people are going to be interested in playing. And then finally, just ask around and see if anybody's willing to teach a game. Having somebody who knows what they're doing, so you're not fiddling through the rule book the whole time, is definitely an experience, but to make a game night go smoothly, you definitely want somebody who knows what they're doing to help with all the questions that are gonna come with the night.
Corey, thank you for that tip. So I haven't hosted a game night in a while, but now I want to, just because you're right. There's a lot of problems with hosting a game night. Is like it just gets all messed up. People end up getting upset. You don't remember how to play the game because you're trying to play a new one.
All right, today's question of the day is, what's your favorite or maybe your go-to board game?
What was that one where you could push it and like the dice would roll like every time it in like this little suction? You know what I'm talking about?
I'll give you trouble, a 6. Buns are poppin', troubles poppin', trying to win the race.
Life was good. I didn't play that till later.
You ever play Clue?
Clue, yeah. Clue was good.
It was good. Monopoly.
Sorry.
Good old checkers.
Yes. Chess. Yeah.
Oh, Settlers of Catan. Ever played that?
No.
That's like a newer-ish one, I would say. And I played it recently. Good stuff.
Nice. Yeah. All right, so we need to go there and check out some board games. All right, business owner. Hello. If you are just like Corey, you own a business, you live here locally, or you live somewhere outside of the DFW Metroplex and would love to get on here, get free Facebook advertising, free exposure, free pictures, free advice for your business, literally all that free. Go to bitbranding.co/tip for tip, fill out the form, and we will get you on the show.